Hi gardeners! Meet the lightweight plant tying machine, designed to tie up vine tomatoes and grapes quickly and easily. This tool saves you 50% of labor time with its ergonomic, non-slip handle and disassembly-free push-pin design. Just press the handle to grab tape, tuck branches in, and cut straps in one smooth motion. It includes a sharp SK5 blade, garden clipper, 10,000 staples, and 20 rolls of tape in red and blue for easy plant identification. Perfect for tomatoes, grapes, cucumbers, young trees, and more, it's a must-have for gardeners, landscapers, and farmers alike. Say goodbye to manual tying and hello to faster, more efficient gardening. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.